So today is about services at Rohde Schwarz, for example, repair and calibration. So why is manufacturer calibration so important? So you bought high-end technology equipment for a specific reason. And now ask yourself, what is the impact of these instruments to your business? And of course, why should you risk the performance and the accuracy of your system or of your device? And on the other hand, of course, keep control of the cost. And how can you ensure low and predictable cost over the next years? So here's where Rohde Schwarz services come into account. There are several aspects to consider. For example, scope of calibration. It is necessary to measure all parameters, of course, of the instruments and examine them in the data sheet, which is a very important part for the accredited calibration. And secondly, adjustments. Your Rohde Schwarz instruments during a manufacturer calibration will be checked for deviations and automatically be adjusted to restore to optimal performance. And the on-site service will bring our experts to your place, to your premises, in order to minimize downtime for your devices. And of course, we offer service options and coverages as well as service level agreements tailored to your needs. It's very important to keep your investment as a valuable instrument in your premises. And it's of course important to service them on your regular basis. We are experts in servicing our devices as we manufactured them. With Rohde Schwarz, you are in great hands.